Hey everybody, it's Punt, and I have a new product for you. Now listen, I know there's a lot of people that have cable storage issues, and I am one of them. If you can believe this mess that I currently have in this drawer, it probably, I don't know, 75%, maybe even more of us have this same problem. But I think that I have found a solution, or at least the solution has found me thanks to Magtame. Now I want to thank Magtame for sending me 2 of these cool USB Type-C cables. These are magnetic and they store in particular ways. This one coils on itself, and this one, as you can see, coils in a different way, but they're all magnetic. I want to show you these cables because I think they're really important and they're really nice cables. So let's get into it. All right, so here I have the 2 types of cables, and I asked them to send me both types just so I can kind of demonstrate what they are both like. And I have opened these boxes and I have played with them, I'm not going to lie. But this is the first cable, and you can see that it comes in this, blue type color, really nice. And you can see how it stores nice and coiled like that. And, of course, obviously, if you want to use it, you just uncoil it. And this is 1.5 meters long. Okay. And this is USB Type-C on both ends. It comes in a bunch of different varieties. You can get a Type A to Lightning. You can get a Type A to C. You can get a C to Lightning, or you can get a double C. And this is currently the double C cable. Again, 1.5 meters long. And this is a data and charging cable. This cable here handles up to 60 watts, but they have the other cable, and let me show you this one. Now this one coils in a different direction. As you can see here, it coils like this, and it uses this is also USB-C to USB-C, and this is gray instead of the blue, and you can kind of see the difference, so you can compare and contrast the two depending on what look you're going for. Now you can obviously, there's a big difference in the thickness of this cable compared to this one. This handles up to, the box says, 240 watts of power. So if you have a high power USB need for say a power bank or something like that, or something that needs a lot of juice to power it, I can think of like maybe a video switcher or something like that, then you have this cable here that you can use. And this is also 1.5 meters long. This is heavy duty. This is probably the thickest USB Type-C cable I have ever seen. But it is very nice. Magtame has made some really nice cables here, and they provide ample length. You can get them in up to 2 meters long. They do come in 1 meter, 1.5, and 2 meters. They are made of rubber magnetic nylon. They come in black, silver, and blue. This is the silver, I believe, is what this one is. They did not mark it on the box like they did with the other one. The other one is obviously blue. I think this is the silver one. Well, no, actually, no, this is the black one. So they have a picture of the silver on the front of the box. But this is what the box looks like. And so obviously you could tell that they're not the same color. So this would be the black, this would be the silver, and this would be the blue. So there you go. But Magtame, thank you for sending me these cables. Now this is obviously very easy to store. Again, this one coils beside itself, like so. So if you're coiling it up, you can just roll it like this and it will store like so. Almost like a snake coiling up on itself, which is cool. Or you have this type, which I really like. It's flat. So this one here is more of a rounded cable, like a typical rounded cable. This one is a flat cable. So this one actually coils like so and wraps nice and neat. And it stays like this, and it stays stored, and you can easily put this inside your bag. You can store it inside of your desk. I mean, pretty cool little cables. And if you're a wire management nerd, and which I'm kind of getting into myself. These are nice solutions if you want to just use a little bit. You can coil what you need, and then the rest stays coiled up just like so. So it's really nice. You can use that. I think it's a really nice cables. Magtame has killed it here. And again, thank you, Magtame, for sending me these cables. I do appreciate it. They do not have any say in the making of this video and the editing of this video. They're going to see this video the same time that you're going to see it. The only thing they asked me to provide a link below, and I do have an affiliate link that they have provided me where you can get a nice little discount on these cables if you are interested. But thank you, Magtame, for sending me 2 of their really robust USB Type-C cables. Now, again, these come in a bunch of different varieties. Here's the box here. You can see there, this is the different ones that you can get. So you can get a Type A to Lightning, a to C, a C to Lightning, or a C to C, which is what I like to use here for video cameras, for my Elgato cams, for the Tail Air or the OBSBot Tiny 2. These will all work. This would really work well with the Tail Air because this is a nice beefy cable that I can attach a power bank to and give the Tail Air extra life. Again, 240 watts for this guy. This one is a 60 watts. So either one will do great for charging your phone, for data. So yeah. Again, thank you, Magtame. I appreciate it. Really nice cables, and I love the colors, and I love the build quality. So there's really no negatives with these cables. They both work well. Been using them for a while now, and they don't get hot. They handle a variety of situations. So all right, that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope that it helped you out. And again, affiliate link down below if you're interested in these cables. It won't cost you a thing to click on it, and it will give me a little boost, and appreciate it. I do get a little bit of a commission, I think, off of these cables if you do buy it. So there is that. Again, I'll provide the link down in the description below. Again, thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a great week. We'll see you later.